Yo sis, and a real, may the Spirit of God surround you both with a spiritual atmosphere of light and peace.
Yo, sis, just want to encourage you to keep your head up, keep your chin out, stick your chest out, because God's got you.
Hey baby sis, your big bro Rendon here. Just letting you know that God's got you and we've got you covered. Love you.
I wrote a little song for you, hope it blesses your heart. You know that I'll be there for you, I've been here from the start. I know it's been tough on you, and you feel like you can't go on, go on. I know you're strong, yeah, go on, go on. Since I know you're strong, yeah. I know it seems dark again, and you feel all alone. Just knowing me, you got a friend, and I'm right here for you. And when you're at your very end, feel like you can't make it through. Go on, go on. I know you're strong, yeah, go on, go on. And I know you're strong, yeah, go on. Go on. I know you're strong, yeah, go on, go on. I know you're strong, yeah, go on, go on. Yeah, I wrote this for you. This is courage for you. I wrote this for you. This is courage for you. And when it feels like you can't make it through, go on, go on, my sister, go on. And when it feels like you can't make it through, go on, go on, sister, go on, go on, go on. I know you're strong.